Alright, so this is a sound comparison between Xiaomi Pad 7 and also Honor Pad 10. Xiaomi Pad 7 has the ability to push the volume to 200%, right? 200%, and for Honor Pad 10 is only at 100%. I will just put both at maximum respectively, and I will start with Xiaomi Pad 7 first.
Find me, I'll be the window whisper in the night. Hold me until the morning, will we see the light? Cause if tomorrow never comes, let us fade into the dark. I'll be waiting where you are. Wherever you are is where I wanna be. If these moments last forever, let us be infinity. Wherever the stars shine brightest, let us be constellations in the night sky. Let us be infinity. Keep me in your memory somewhere that will only know. Clothe me in the shadows of your heart, don't let me go. Cause if tomorrow never comes, let us fade into the dark. I'll be waiting where you are. Wherever you are is where I wanna be. If these moments last forever, let us be infinity. Wherever the stars shine brightest, let us be constellations in the night sky. Let us be infinity, infinity, infinity.
Okay, so there you go, the sound comparison between Xiaomi Pad 7 and Honor Pad 10. Personally, I think the sound on Honor Pad 10 is louder, but I prefer the sound quality coming out from Xiaomi Pad 7. It is richer in every way. It's not as bland as Honor Pad 10 sound, and I actually enjoy listening on this device. So yeah, that's my take between the sound quality between these two.